If you're looking for a fun and hands-on way to teach your kids about magnets, force, and motion, then you have to check out this magnetic work set from Learning Resources. Now, I absolutely love this brand. We use so many different of their products. They're all high quality and they're excellent to work with, especially with all ages of kids. Now, there are 14 different experiments built into this kit, and they're all designed to help kids explore just how magnets work. And what my kids love the most is just experimenting with this kit and just seeing the different forces of magnets, whether you're pushing or you're pulling while you're using them. Now, there's a guide included in this kit. It's super easy to follow. I love that I can just lay out on the table and my kids can follow it step by step and they know exactly how each experiment works. This is perfect, especially if you are a homeschooling mom like me, or even just weekend play, just to have your kids do something fun and educational. And what's really nice about this kit is that it is perfect for group activities. You can use about 1 to 3 kids and they just learn how to work together, take turns, and share while exploring about how magnets behave and how they work in real life. Now, these magnets are strong enough to hold together without pinching your little one's fingers, and all the pieces are built to last. They're durable, they're easy to clean, and the kit is made for repeat play, so you're gonna be able to use this time and time again. Now, like I said, this is perfect for my younger kids, also my older kids. The younger ones, they might need a little bit of instruction. You might have to sit there and play with them, or if the older ones can help them along. But what's really nice is the older ones can go ahead and do this all on their own. You can set it up for them and they're good to go. This also makes a really great gift, especially if you want something a little bit different. It's something that kids are gonna be able to use time and time again. So if you are looking for a great way to teach your kids about magnets that's hands-on and fun and they're gonna be able to use this time and time again, this magnetic work set is a great option. Thanks for watching.